How to delete Facebook Metapixel from Wix website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to remove a pixel that you have installed into your Wix website. The process is going to be very easy, and we're going to head over our Wix website by heading over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to see the site's dashboard. Once we have did that, we're going to click on select and edit site for the website that we want from this dashboard. Wait for the dashboard to load up, and we're going to find the control panel at the left side of the screen. So here, as you can see, we're going to scroll down a little bit, and here we are going to see settings. We're going to click on it, and then we're going to get this menu. Basically, if you have created a pixel or installed, or let's say connected your Facebook pixel into your Wix website, it is not going to be demanding an ID or the pixel ID, but it is going to demand the Facebook account itself. So it is going to be very easy to remove it or remove the connection between those two. How we can do that, we're going to disconnect the account of Facebook from Wix. How we can see it or how we can manage to do that, easy. We're going to scroll down on the settings to the last part, which is going to be called here development and integrations. We have three options: custom code, headless settings, marketing integration. From the name of it, we're going to find the marketing, which is going to be related to the Facebook and all the marketing funnels. We're going to click on it, and it is going to show us a menu. From this menu, you're going to see that we have Google Tag, Metapixel and Cappy from Facebook, Google Tag Manager, and etc. We're going to focus on Metapixel and Cappy. So we're going to click on the, normally the button is not going to be connect because I haven't connected my Facebook yet, but in your case, you're going to find Manage. Click on Manage, and you're going to find here that it is going to be an upgradable option to the premium plan. So I haven't did that or upgraded my version. It is okay, all good. So we can go ahead and have here the Metapixel and Cappy seen here. Normally you're going to connect it from here, and you can go ahead and delete the connection, or let's say here, cut the connection from disconnect here, remove from here or there, because it is going to have only the access to your Facebook account. So you're going to have been verifying your domain on Facebook, choosing event to track. You're going to see only remove or disconnect here or there. So that is going to be everything for how to remove the connection between the Metapixel and your Wix website. And also, if you want to redo that process again, it is going to be something like this. Or let's say not redo the process, but installing again the Metapixel. So we're going to head over the settings, and we're going to be back to this specific area, which is going to be marketing and integration. Click on connect your Facebook here, and then verify, set up the track and events, and you're going to be good to go. So that was pretty much it. Do not forget, if you're going to remove the pixel, you need to see or check your pixel into your Facebook page or your Facebook or the business suite manager or the business suite. Basically, you are going to see if the pixel has been correctly removed from your Wix website and if everything is going well. If it is going to be the case, it is okay. If not, you're going to refresh your Wix website and then see if it is going to be having a memory of the Metapixel or not. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.